Welcome back to my channel after a long time, and so thus I start my puja vlog. So today is Shoshti and we are going for a pandal hopping day. So we were at the metro station, me and my friends, and now we are going by an auto. So here comes our first pandal that we are going to see for the Durga Puja 2021, and this was it. This was so beautifully made with blue and white background all over, and that's the goddess over there. So next we went to the Modiali pandal, which was very near, and this is a very famous pandal of South Kolkata. Now we went to watch another pandal, which was the 64 Polli Durgotsav, and this was in South Calcutta, and this was made of a theme, and this was actually very beautiful. We saw this as our third pandal. And here is my friend Polash, who is new to the vlog, and my usual friend Tiasha. All of us became very thirsty walking kilometers after kilometers, so we planned on drinking some coconut water, and this was the view. And then we got into another pandal, which is also a very famous pandal in South Kolkata, which is the Deshopriyo Park. Though I did not like the setup this time, but this is actually a very renowned place for a good pandal, I say. Okay, so next we saw another pandal which is named Tridhara. It's also in South Kolkata, but I could not have a close-up video of it, so sorry for that. And then we went to a cafe and we were chilling. We sat, we ate, we were too hungry, so we ordered food fast, but I did not have any clipping because we were enjoying a lot and vibing a lot with music and stuff. Then, after some time, we planned on going back home as it was already evening and we all had our deadlines. While coming back, we saw this pandal. This was a very local pandal in Hindustan Park, and this was the lights and festive everything. And this was us crazy coming back in a bus, AC bus. Then, this was my outfit for the night. So this is the next day. It was Shoptami and we booked a car and we were already heading towards our destination, which was North Kolkata. This was also a pandal hopping day, but actually we did not see much, and this was my outfit for the day. Okay, so first we went to a renowned pandal which was Bagh Bajar. I don't think so everyone will know, but all the Kolkata dwellers will know about this pandal, and this was the entrance of it. And finally, there we see the goddess. It was so beautiful. They always have a unique way of portraying Ma Durga, and this is how this year it was. These are the streets of North Kolkata. Like, I am a dweller of South Kolkata, so it is really exciting for me to go over there and look at their lifestyles and roads, streets, and everything. Next, we went to the most favorite of mine, which was the Shobhabajar Rajbari. The Shobhabajar Rajbari is a heritage place, and every year Durga Puja is celebrated over here. It is sort of a Boni Di Bari. I know few of you cannot understand that as well, but this is a royal experience and a very lavish heritage place. So just see the video for viewing the place. This was the entrance for the Shobhabajar Rajbari, and that's where the puja is done. I'll give you a close up very fast. So we came out, and this was a very good place for us for clicking pictures, and we clicked a lot of pictures which I'll attach it. So the next pandal was the Aheri Tola, and this was also in North Calcutta. We just had to take an auto and reach the location, and this was the view. It was too much crowded, so I guess I did not get a good clipping of it, but it was really nice. This was the goddess over there. Then we were entering another pandal, which was the College Square in College Street, and this was the view. Then we returned, and I had a function in the evening. So this was my outfit for Ashtami. Sadly, I did not get any clips for that day, and also from now on, I literally had less of clips because I was so much enjoying in the moment. So this was another pandal that I visited at night. Actually, this was very near to my house, and this was in Ashtami night with my friends, and these are the clippings of Shondhi Puja, which happens in Durga Puja Ashtami night. This was my outfit for the night in Ashtami. So finally Mahanavami started, and we were going to one of our friends' place where puja takes place. This was the place where my friend was having their Kumari Pujo in their house itself, and these were few of their clippings. At night, we went to a cafe and we were enjoying, and we ate our dinner over there. Finally, the last day, which was Dashami, it started, and I went out with another group of friends, and we saw pandals in mainly Goriahat region, and these were the views of it. This is the clipping of a Dhunichi Nach which takes place on the Dashami evening when the time comes of Ma Durga to go. So this was it, and after this we were dancing Bhashan dance, as everyone knows about it. So this was my whole puja vlog. I hope you all have enjoyed and have had a safe puja too. Please do like, comment and share, and subscribe to my channel for more vlogs.